You're welcome to today's class, and we are asked to solve for the value of x in this particular math Olympiad question. This is a very easy question, yes. But if you don't know how to apply some laws of indices, you will not be able to get the solution right. So first of all, let's raise each part of this equation to the power of 4. Okay, so we can write x raised to the power of x to the power of 4, everything raised to the power of 4, okay, is equal to 64 raised to the power of 4. Okay, now I want us to pay attention to what I'm about to do here. Recall that the law of indices states that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is the same thing as a to the power of n, m times n, right? That is a to the power of mn. And this is also equal to a to the power of n raised to the power of m. Yes, since this is equal to m times n, then it's still equal to n times m. We've not changed anything. Okay, if we look at what we have here, let me analyze it first before I start writing it down. We have x raised to the power of x over 4. X to the power of 4. That means this x is raised to this power, right? Now, since we now raise this to the power of 4, okay, now since we now raise this to the power of 4 again, that means this is our a and this is our b, right? This is the first power of x and this is the second one. Let's call it like that. Yes, this is the second one. That means if we should apply the law that I just explained, we can interchange a and b, right? That means we can write x, instead of me to write x to the power of 4, which is a, I'll write b, I'll bring b in, okay, and then I'll take this one out, which is what, x to the power of 4. Is that understood? Yes. So that is how we got x to the power of 4 raised to the power of x to the power of 4. All right. So this is equal to this. Okay. So that means that I can rewrite this now as x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4. Okay. X to the power of 4 raised to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to 64 raised to the power of 4. Okay, so we have x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to 64 is the same thing as 8 squared, right? Same thing as 8 squared to the power of what? 4. All right, so this is x to the power of 4 raised to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to this, and this will multiply according to what I explained initially, right? So it's going to be 8 to the power of 2 times what? 4, which is 8. Okay, so we have something here. This is just like a to the power of a, right? Because this and this, they are the same. So this is like a to the power of a is equal to 8 to the power of 8. Okay, so since this is equal to this, logically we can say that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. Yes, because this is same thing as this is 8 to the power of 8, same number to a power that is to itself. Okay, same number raised to the power of itself. The same thing happened here. So if this is equal to this, then logically we can say that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. So we have x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. Now, to get the value of x, we need to take the fourth root of each side of this equation. So we'll have that the fourth root of x to the power of 4 is equal to the fourth root of what? 8. All right. Okay, now this fourth root we cancel this 4, right? And we are left with x. So we'll write that x is equal to, now the fourth root of 8 is going to be what? Plus or minus fourth root of 8. And this is our final result. Thank you so much for watching. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe and on your notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.